Miss Ollie's class. How is everyone today? Guess what? This is our last week of school. We only have 2 more days left. 2 more days of school, and then I guess it's summertime, even though we've already been home, but it's officially summertime because school will be out. So let's start our day with a hug. Everybody give Miss Holly a tight hug. Thank you for doing this every day. Miss Holly just loves knowing that you're hugging me, even though I can't feel it, knowing that you're hugging me on the other side. I appreciate it. Okay, well, we're going to start our day with our pledge. We got to keep going with our pledge. We've been doing it every day. So let's get the flag. I'm getting good at this, being the flag holder, flag leader. Okay, hand on our heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Did you do that with me? I hope you did that with me. I didn't do it by myself. Okay, let's talk about what today is. It is, does anybody remember the month? The month starts with the letter what? M. May. It's the month of May. So today is, everybody say, Monday. So it's Monday, May. Oh, let's see which number the pointer is going to go to today. 1. What number is that? 11. So Monday, May the 11th. So let's count to 11. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That was easy for you, wasn't it? And today, I hope everyone your mommies had a good Mother's Day yesterday. Yesterday was Mother's Day. I hope you gave her lots of sweet hugs and kisses. You have some sweet mamas. Okay, let's do our Days of the Week song. Are you ready? Sunday. Well, let's see. What do we want to do? We want to clap? Sunday. Oh, Days of the Week. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Days of the week. 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 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job, Miss Ollie's class. I know you know those days. Okay, well, we're going to get started with our crafts today. We have a couple of crafts. We're going to keep working on our ocean craft or something that we see on the beach. So everybody should have all of your seashells. They should be all dry and cut out by now. And then you should have just some loose pieces of paper. If you don't have any of these, maybe just go and get just some cut paper. I have 12 of them because we're going to glue our seashells on each one. So you'll need your paper, your seashells, and either a glue bottle or a glue stick. Okay. These seashells turned out so pretty. So let's start with the one on top. And y'all know what to do on gluing. We're just going to turn it over. Oh, my stuck. It's hard to pull off. And just put glue on the back. Rub it on there. And then I want you just to stick it on the first page. Just like that. Okay? So then we're done with this one. And then you're going to do this with each one. So if you have all of your paper and your glue, you can just do this with Miss Holly. This is a big shell. Look at this one. This was a pretty one. Stick that one on there. Okay. Oh, look at this tall one. This was pretty. Spirally. A little bit of glue. Stick this one on. glue on the back. Stick it on. We're making a book. Okay. Oh, I did this one all purple. And you can do yours in any order you want to. You don't have to do them the same order as Miss Holly's. So just however, just do one seashell per piece of paper. And this one looks like a, what? Like a star. That one on. Okay. Oh, this one looks like a fan. This shell. Okay. Miss Holly would love to go to the beach this summer. Don't know if that's possible. This one's a circle seashell. But there's always lots of fun things that you can do at home. And just like Miss Holly had been telling you about the beach or going to the beach or the ocean, there's lots of things that you can do at your house to pretend. Going on a picnic. You do at the beach, flying a kite, playing frisbee. Those are all things that you can do at your house. Go swimming if you have a pool. This seashell kind of looks like a butterfly wings. This is a pretty one. Okay, we have one more shell. Okay, now if you wanted to put a cover on here, you could. So what Miss Holly's gonna do is I'm just gonna take my stapler and then I'm just gonna staple the corner like that. And look, see, now I have a book with all the different shells in it that we found, that we watercolored. Look how pretty. See, now you have a book. If you wanted to, you could decorate your pages. But won't that be fun to look at? You could just save it and then go back and look at it later and think, oh gosh, I remember doing that. I remember using those pretty colors. That's a cute little seashell book. Miss Holly loves that. Okay, well, our craft that we're gonna do today, I think will be fun. Has anybody ever heard of a puffer fish? It's a fish that you'll see in the water and they're not real big, but then when something comes up to it and it wants to seem like it's real big, it goes poof, it puffs out and makes itself real big and round. And so it tries to scare away other things. So what you'll need is, this is a coffee filter. Your mom and dad, if they drink coffee, most people drink coffee, you just have a filter like this. If you don't have a filter, you could just have, just take a piece of paper, just a round piece of paper will work, but I'm gonna show you what you can do with this filter that kind of makes it fun. So you take the filter, and it's usually kind of up like this, and Miss Holly, what I did is you just wanna spread it out and push it down. And so what you'll need is just your markers. And all I want you to do is just to take different colors and then just easily, you gotta be kind of easy because it's kind of thin, it'll tear, and just color the filter with your markers. You need to use markers if you have them. Crayons won't work. You could do, you know, some paints, I guess, but really markers work the best. So I'm gonna do blue. And you can do this all one color if you wanted to, but I think doing different colors would be pretty. So we're just gonna go around, and you can do it any way you want to. You don't have to do it in a pattern. You can just mix all your colors up, just any way you want to. You know what Miss Holly says, just try your best on anything that you do. If you're trying your best, that's what Miss Holly wants. In a minute, I'm going to show you a little trick almost there. Let's see. Oh, what I did with my orange. I think I'm going to use red again. I'll finish it with red. You want to try to get most of the white all colored. Now, this is the fun part. And it only takes a little bit. You don't have to, Miss Holly has a little spray bottle, but you don't have to have a spray bottle. You can just sprinkle some water on there, and it doesn't take much. You don't want to do a whole lot. So maybe my spray bottle will work. Oh, there it goes, yep. And you just want to get it a little bit, you just want to get it wet. Look what happens to those colors. Look how pretty that got. And they just kind of run together. Isn't that pretty? Can you see it? So this now will need to dry. So you'll need to let this dry real good. You could even just set it to the side, or you could just stick it outside for a second. It'll dry really fast. So Miss Holly, I made one earlier and I let it dry, and this is what it looked like. See? See the colors? And I already, what you want to do is you want to take some googly eyes and glue in the middle. So for on this one, once it's dry, I would just take my two eyes and I would put them right in the middle of the circle. So you want to do that first. So just go ahead, once it's dry, glue on your eyes. And then you want to take some scissors and cut all the way around it. Because like I said, this fish lays, it's in the water, and then when something goes by, it just puffs all out like this and scares things away. So right here, Miss Holly didn't finish cutting, so I kind of wanted to show you what to do. So you'll just take your scissors, and if you can see, you just go around, and you're just cutting it. Just go around and around, just side by side. I guess we're kind of making little legs all the way around. See? So you'll just make a big circle and go all the way around. And this is our puffer fish. It's all colorful. I think that is super cute. What do you think? So, we have our puffer fish that we've made. We have our, let's see, I have them all back here. What was this? We made a whale. I like the whale. We made, what was this? We made a shark. Miss Holly thought this one was fun. We did the Baby Shark song. And we made, whoops, oh, there's all kind of papers back here. An octopus. So those are some of the things that we made that you can see at the ocean. Those are all little fun little crafts. Okay, Miss Holly has a story for you, and this is Exploring God's Ocean. In the deep, deep ocean where ships go to and fro lives creatures beyond numbers, an amazing show. Look beneath the surface to the sandy ocean floor. See all that God has made for us to enjoy and to explore. Coral gardens grow in the water blue and deep. Tiny fish make their homes there, safely hidden in the reef. In the forest of seaweed, little seahorses stay. Oh, look how cute. While up above, giant whales are busy at their play. So quiet on the rocks, the starfish tightly cling. Happily in the waves, the friendly dolphins jump and sing. Those are always fun to see at the beach. The sea otter floats as he eats his meal. Look on the ice. It's a baby seal. Schools of fish, all colors, shapes, and sizes, are some of God's many ocean surprises. Search along the shore and find pretty seashells left behind. That's what we did. We found seashells, and we made some. As you stand on the sand and watch the waves in motion, remember, it was God who made the mighty ocean. And then it says, God created the great creatures of the sea and every living and moving thing with which the water teems. That's Genesis 1:21. That was a good story. Well, okay, Miss Holly's class, we could do one review I would like real quick. We did some reviews last week. Since it's our last week, we'll do our numbers before it's the end of our lesson. I have those right here. Are y'all ready to play some cards? Let me scoot my stuff over, get my desk ready. Whoops. Okay. So, let's lay these out. Oh, let's mix them up a little bit. Well, we can do them in order. Miss Holly will. I know what I can do. Okay, can you see them? Okay, I am going to. Some of you may have these at your house. If you do, you could go get them real quick and lay them out like Miss Holly does. If not, we'll just use mine. Okay, which color is the number 2? Can anyone find the number 2? That's right, it's blue. So let's turn that one over. Okay. What color is the number 5? Can anyone find the number 5? Yep, it's pink. Okay, now I'm going to switch it up. Which number is purple? Which number is purple? Can you all find purple? Yep, the number 7. Which number is red? Which one is red? The number 1. Good job. How about which number is brown? Find the brown one. And what number is it? The number 9. Find the yellow one. That's right. What's that number? The number 3. How about which one is the color gray? Can you find the gray one? It's the 0. How about the color green? What number is that? That's right, the number 4. And what color is black? Find the black one. And what number is it? Tell Miss Holly. The number 6. And the last one, can anyone just tell me what the last number is? That's right, it's the number 8. Good job, we did our numbers. You're so smart, so smart. Okay, well, Miss Holly will see you again tomorrow, and we'll finish up talking about the beach and the ocean. So I will see you later. Miss Holly loves you. Bye-bye.